Gemini, hi, welcome to Mystic Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for April 14 to 20, 2025. If you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And please subscribe to our channel to show your support, like, share this video, at comment na rin kayo kung kayo ay naka-resonate. Ayan, so let's see. Gemini, what's up? Anong energies for this week? You have the moon. Moon is about your emotions, your feelings, your nurturing energy. So, maaring may pag-aalaga or may aalagaan kayo this week. Pwedeng sarili nyo, mahal nyo sa buhay, family ninyo, or meron kayong ita-take care, like aasikasuhin. Oo. Can be anything. So, you have the strength, which is dignified. So, this is comfort, no? Pagiging komportable sa isang sitwasyon, sa isang career, trabaho. I think, yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong tina-target na makuha na certain position, no? This can be position sa trabaho or estado sa buhay. You also have Pluto, which is rebirth. This is transformation, no? Pluto is the planet of transformation. So this is change, major change for you. Maaring may mag-end, like ending a situation. This can be ending a career, a relationship, a business, for a new beginning. So let's see what else. For Gemini, April 14 to 20. You have the Four of Cups. Meron ditong hindi na kontento. Hindi kontento sa buhay, kaya gusto niyo may magbago. Totoo naman, no? Syempre, kung sa tingin mo hindi ka na ganun kasaya sa sitwasyon mo, whether this is sa relationship mo, sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, or sa mga pang-araw-araw mong ginagawa, may magbabago kung may babaguhin ka, 'di ba? With the Knight of Wands, this is you taking a risk. Meron kang parang naghahanap ka ng excitement sa buhay. And I think ngayong week na to, mahahanap mo yung magbibigay sa'yo ng excitement. So, you are going to pursue whatever that is. You have the Four of Cups kasi parang feeling mo, ang boring naman. Gusto ko ng adventure. Gusto ko ng new experiences. So, this week, you are willing to undergo change, no? Syempre, kung may pagkakataon na may magbago, pero hindi ka open for change, edi walang magbabago, 'di ba? So, this is about you, rebirth. I think meron ka ring parang kumbaga yung sarili mo inire-reinvent mo, like a new version of yourself. And you are very excited about this. So, pwedeng new career path, meron kang bagong source of income. Oh, you have the Six of Cups. I think babalik ka sa isang sitwasyon na kung saan naranasan mo or naramdaman mo na masaya ka. Like, you are fulfilled. Kasi pwedeng galing ka na doon, tapos sumubo ka ng bago, and then na-realize mo, mas okay pala yung dati. Oo. So, syempre, hindi naman natin yan malalaman or marirealize until wala na sa atin yung sitwasyon na yun or yung tao na yun. 'Di ba? So, let's see what else. Pasensya na kung medyo sisinghot-singhot ako, ha. Kasi, may sipon. Ang init kasi ngayon, tapos biglang, ewan ko, malamig, diba? Person of water. So, some of you, maaring ang kadil nyo ay isang water sign, or you are emotionally connected sa sarili mo. You have healing. Oh. You are healing from your past, healing sa ninyo, yung mga bagay na nagbigay sa inyo ng trauma in the past. This can be healing sa relationship. Oh, this is you healing your inner child. Healing your inner child. Na maaring meron kang pangarap, no, na gusto mong ma-experience ng bata ka na hindi mo naramdaman, hindi mo naranasan. And now ngayon, ito na yung pinupurso mo, or ito na yung gusto mong gawin. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong bibisitahin na kamag-anak or someone from your past. Like, pwedeng reunion with your friends. Merong break up. Oh. Yung iba rito, breaking up with someone, or pwedeng nagsiset ka na ng boundaries with this person. Kasi sa tingin mo, take advantage ka na ng taong to. Some of you may be cutting cords, no? Cutting connections from someone na sa tingin mo ay hindi na siya in alignment of your energies, yung mga plans mo, yung mga pananaw mo sa buhay. Minsan kasi ganun na at some point in our lives, no, nung let's say high school tayo or college tayo, meron tayong BFF, may friend, super friend. Tapos, marami tayong pinagkakasunduan dun sa tao na yon. And eventually, nag-mature, nagkaroon kayo ng iba't ibang landas na tinahak, and may nagbago sa inyo, no? So, hindi na kayo kagaya nung dati. So, maaring iba sa inyo, you will realize na it's time to let go of that. Dahil hindi na kayo nagre-resonate sa energy ng person na yan. You also have bodybuilder, so you are strengthening your body. Makes sense with the strength card here, no? So, yung iba sa inyo, Gemini, pwedeng kayo ay nag-exercise, you're starting to build your muscles. Or, mas lalo nyong pinapalakas ang inyong loob, ang inyong resistensya. Dahil kasi minsan ang hirap din, no, na mahina ang ating pangangatawan, mabilis dapuan ng sakit. Na talagang you are strengthening your physical strength. Sa iyo namang money, career, finances, you have the 7 of Cups, the 2 of Wands. I think yung iba sa inyo na may pagbabago is may kinalaman sa trabaho ninyo, sa career ninyo, or sa business, na parang feeling nyo hindi na kayo ganun kasaya or kasettled, no? You want to try new things. May mga gusto kang subukan. Although yung iba sa inyo hindi naman agad-agad na may babaguhin, pwedeng may idadagdag ka lang. Kumbaga, nagiging sigurista ka na before ka mag-let go ng isang career path, trabaho, or business, kailangan yung isa okay na, 'di ba? Halimbawa, may trabaho ka, tapos gusto mo ng extra income. So, bago mo i-let go yung work mo, kailangan yung business mo kaya na ma-sustain yung needs mo para makapag-resign ka. So, you're going to be busy, or meron kang parang gina-juggle na iba't ibang responsibilities. So, sa love life, tingnan natin. You have the World, the 6 of Pentacles. The World is about ending a cycle sa buhay mo. So, maaring iba sa inyo, this can be a separation, pero hindi siya painful separation. Pwedeng pareho nyong gusto yung pagtatapos ng relationship na yan. Kumbaga, friends kayo, or you are in good terms. Although rare yan, hindi madalas na mangyari yan, but it can really happen, no? So, yung iba naman, if you're in a relationship right now, I'm seeing here long distance relationship. So, mas lalo nyong pinagtitibay yung inyong relasyon. dahil sa pamamagitan ng pag-e-effort. Nag-e-effort kayo. Oo, lalo na pag long distance. Doble effort 'yan. Okay. Self-care is a necessity, not a luxury. That's right. So, kung kailangan mo na mag-relax, gawin mo yan. No? Huwag mo na ipagpaliban. Pamper yourself. It's time to take care of your needs. Okay? So, that is your reading, Gemini. Thank you so much. See you again.